everybody, happy Thursday. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of what we did yesterday. So you need your ones, your tens, and your 10 frames. These are going to be our vocabulary words. Remember, ones are numbers 1 through 9. They can be represented as these little squares, these little cubes. And when we draw them as little circles. Once you get to a group of 10 ones, you have a group of 10. A 10 is represented as a rod. When we draw it, we draw a rod. So this is 10 ones. This is 1 1. It's a group of 10. 10 frames are another way we can represent numbers. So there are 10 little squares. When all the dots are filled in, that's a group of 10. Okay, and we can use it to show other numbers as well. Today's math activity is kind of like yesterday's. Okay, so you need to make sure you still have your cut out tens frame cards. If you can't find them, you can make some more. Remember, you cut them in half and glue them so that you have 1 on one side and a 10 on the other side. Okay, and it's a 2-player game today, so you need to find someone around you that can play this game with you. Player 1's going to go first and drop the cards. They're going to record their number on the worksheet the same way we did yesterday. Okay, so here I dropped 3 groups of 10s. I drew 3 rods. And I dropped 1, 2, 3, 4. I dropped 5 1s, so I did 5 circles for my 1s. Then I saw I have 3 groups of 10s and 5 1s. That's number 35. Okay, if I check, I have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Okay. Then player 2 is going to go. Player 2 is going to drop the 10 frame cards as well and then record their number. So I was playing against Rashid, and he dropped his 10 frames, and he got 6 groups of 10s. We did 6 rods, and he got 2 1s. He said his number is 63, though. Let's check that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62. Rashid messed up. Okay, so make sure you're checking your partner's work to make sure theirs is the correct number. So they had 6 groups of 10s and 2 1s, which is the number 62. Okay, then you have to decide which one has more. So which one's the greatest number? Which one's the biggest out of these two? Out of 35 and 62, which one's greatest? That's right, 62. So that means Rashid won that round. Okay? You're going to keep playing this game until your whole board is full. The player who won the most rounds wins. Okay? So that's how you're going to play today's game. I'm going to show you real quick a couple rounds. Probably just one. So I have Rashid here to play with me. I'm going to go first because I'm player 1. Okay, so I'm going to drop my cards. I got 1, 2, 3 10s, and I got 5 1s. So I have 3 10s and 5 1s. So I got 3 10s, which I'm going to represent as my rods, and I got 5 1s. What number is this? 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. And I could have known that by seeing like 3 groups of 10s and 5 1s. Alright, now Rashid is going to go. Let's go Rashid. Let me pick them up for him. Okay, so he's got his cards, and he's going to drop them. Alright, let's count them out for Rashid. Okay, so Rashid got 4 groups of 10 and 4 1s. Okay, so let's do his. He has 4 groups of 10s, and he got 4 1s. What number is this? I say I have 4 groups of 10s and 4 1s. It's 44. We can count to make sure. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Who won this round? You got to pick the number that's greatest. Which number is greatest? That's right, 44 is greater than 35. 44 is a bigger number. So I have another group of 10. I have 3 groups of 10 over here, and I have 4 over here. So that makes this number greater. This is a bigger number. So Rashid won that round. We're going to play 4 more times until we have it all full, and then we're going to see who wins. If you have any questions about this game, please let your teacher know. Have a great day. Bye.